If you don't make anything else for my channel, make this stuffed French toast. Here's what you'll need: some brioche bread, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, eggs, milk of your choice, cream cheese, powdered sugar, brown sugar. We're going to start with our filling. I have some softened cream cheese in a bowl, and I'm just going to start by blending that just a little so that it can break down. To that, I'm going to add some powdered sugar and combine those two ingredients as best I can. Don't worry, it'll all get combined in the end. Now to that, I'm going to add some vanilla extract, and I'm just going to do my best to take the powdered sugar and cream cheese from the side of the bowl and give that a good mix until it's combined just like this. Now to that, you're going to add some cinnamon, as much cinnamon as you like. Now I went in with about, I can't tell you, just add as much as you like, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and combine that, and please, whatever you do, taste it. Make sure you like it, set it to the side, and now we're going to refrigerate that while we work on our custard. So once that's placed into the refrigerator, we're going to move on. So I like to start by breaking down my eggs first. I feel like that makes it easier when you're doing a little custard. So I just crack my 2 eggs into the bowl. And to that, I'm going to add in my brown sugar, my vanilla extract, and again, some cinnamon, as much cinnamon as you like. The more cinnamon you add, the more the cinnamon flavor will come through. So just keep that in mind. Okay. So I'm just giving that a good whisk until it's all combined. And now we're going to add our milk. I personally like to use almond milk because of that vanilla flavor, but it's truly up to you. So once that's all combined, you can go ahead and start assembling our French toast. So I like to go ahead and place my brioche buns on a pan. This is about the thickness I go for. You want thick pieces of bread for this because it will have a filling, and you just want something that can hold up to that heavy filling. So I'm going to go ahead and spread that cream cheese mixture right in between the 2 pieces of bread, and then I'm going to go ahead and dunk it into our little custard mixture here. Now when you're dunking it, don't let it sit. You're going to go in for about a second, flip it a second, and then you're good to go. If you leave it in too long, it'll get completely mushy and it just won't be what you're looking for. So once it's dunked into the custard, immediately I take it to a buttered pan. In my case, I'm using a griddle just so I can do more than one at one time. You're going to let it brown on one side, and you'll know it's brown, just check it. And then you're going to flip it right on over. It'll be nice and golden, and you're going to let it go until that side is just as brown. And don't worry, you cannot taste the custard, the egg mixture, or anything like that. It'll be fine. So I like to top it with some powdered sugar and, of course, some warm syrup. And when I tell you this was delicious, this was so good. But I will say, this is perfect if you have a sweet tooth. If not, please don't make too much. You only need one. I was barely able to finish it, but this was everything. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. But before I go, I just want to say thank you so much for your support. It means everything to me, and I love to see us growing over here on this channel. But bye, y'all.